CAD Steel, our mission is to create high-quality technical information in both 2D and 3D for the design and construction of process plants, structural steelworks, and industrial machinery. We aim to make fabrication and assembly easier for our clients by leveraging advanced design software and a highly skilled team of professionals. Our vision is to participate in the most ambitious projects worldwide, ensuring our expertise in technology set the standard for quality. By offering creative solutions and maintaining strict confidentiality, we strive to deliver the best service at competitive prices, making technical information accessible, fast, and reliable for every client. CAD Steel has a rich history of successful projects across various sectors. Our portfolio includes the design and technical support for bridges, industrial plants, storage tanks, and urban infrastructure. We have collaborated with renowned engineering firms and contractors, providing services such as technical drawings, fabrication plans, material control, and on-site supervision. Some of our notable projects include the Portal del Norte in Bogotá, vehicular bridges on major avenues, and alcohol fuel plants. Each project showcases our commitment to precision, safety, and innovation, ensuring that every detail meets the highest industry standards. Technical expertise covers the entire engineering process, from basic to detailed design. We generate comprehensive documentation, including planimetry, sections, elevations, isometrics with material lists, and 3D electronic models. Our team ensures every project is thoroughly checked for interferences and meets all fabrication and assembly requirements. We also provide supervision from topography to fabrication and installation, guaranteeing quality at every stage. Whether it's structural steel, tanks, or piping systems, CAD Steel delivers precise, reliable, and innovative solutions tailored to each client's needs, always upholding confidentiality and technical excellence. At CAD Steel, we understand the importance of protecting our clients' sensitive information. All technical data, photographs, and models presented are for illustration only and never violate confidentiality agreements. For new clients, we're committed to signing confidentiality agreements to ensure that your information is never disclosed or copied by third parties. This dedication to privacy is a cornerstone of our service, allowing clients from around the world to trust us with their most critical projects. Our reputation for reliability and discretion is matched only by our technical expertise.